This soup maker from Morphy Richards lets you make soup the way you like it, with the option to choose between chunky and smooth. Make soup that's ready to serve in 21 minutes. Simply load your ingredients, choose your preferred settings, and you can enjoy delicious results in no time, completely hassle-free. The keep warm function will keep your soup at a consistent temperature until you're ready to serve. Enjoy it at a time that works for you, without the worry of it going cold. With a 1.6 litre capacity, you can make 4 large portions or 6 starter-sized portions at once. There's room to feed the whole family, whether it's the main course or not. Perfect for any lunch or dinner time, this Morphy Richards soup maker has everything you need to whip up delicious batches of soup with ease.